Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Mitchum's Advanced Control 48-hour odor protection unscented gel antiperspirant and deodorant. The net weight of this is just 3.4 ounces and it is just 96 grams. So just getting started on this product, the backstory is really funny. So I just love talking about how I came in encounter with products and then how it's helped me or if it's not helped me. But growing up, I've always had a very bad sweating problem, and now that I'm older and I don't really have it as much, I feel like I can talk about it without feeling embarrassed about it. But I had a very, very bad sweating problem. It got to the point where I would only wear black t-shirts. I looked like I was goth, even though that wasn't the look I was going for. I didn't like putting on super white deodorant because I would find that when I sweat a lot, the deodorant would go through my shirt. It was just really bad. And so anybody who has that problem, you know that it's embarrassing and you just kind of feel very insecure about it. It's just one of those things where it's just kind of you just feel very, very insecure. And so I remember growing up, I used to always tell my mom, I used to be like, oh my goodness, I dislike you so much because you get because I remember I used to always beg my mom for this one deodorant and she would not get it for me, and I used to tell her you're the reason why I got made fun of, blah blah blah, and my mom would be like, oh my goodness, you don't know what's good for you. And she was right. When I got older and I started doing research on some deodorants, I had realized that the deodorant was not good at all, the one that I wanted. But growing up, like I said, I had that problem when I was younger. Growing up, I don't know what happened, but I think it was just either my nerves or anxiety that was making me sweat a lot. But I do not sweat as much as I did when I was younger, which is very weird because I don't know if that's just something naturally you get rid of, or I was just very confused. But I don't sweat anymore, so which is kind of weird, but I don't. And yeah, so I wore colored clothes. I can wear things outside. I won't sweat. It all just goes well for me now, and I'm just very content with how everything is. But when I started college, I ended up taking some dance classes, and I noticed that I was sweating the way I sweated when I was younger. So I was very confused, and I ended up going to a doctor, and he was like, you have overactive glands underneath your arms. But then I was very confused because I had stopped sweating, and he was like, to be honest, he was like, anything can trigger it. It just depends on your body type, and your height, it depends on your body type and then your glands, and there's a lot of factors that go into that. But he suggested this deodorant, and I have a up-down relationship with this deodorant. Some days I like it, some days I do not like it, but I will tell you guys why I like it. So first off, anybody who knows how it feels to sweat through your clothes, you understand that it's not the best situation, but this deodorant really covers that up for me. I found wearing this underneath my clothes, I don't sweat as much. It was kind of a weird feeling to adjust to, just because I wasn't really used to gel deodorant, but now that I am used to it, I just go with the flow when it comes to it. It's true, it does stay for 48 hours, and honestly, it does do what it needs to do. The one thing that I kind of dislike about this deodorant though, guys, is that it leaves me with the worst peel peel like flakiness underneath my arms. It looks so disgusting. It looks like I got suntanned underneath my arms, and like I have to like peel away the excess parts to it. Like it's so disgusting. Like I just honestly like cannot. It's really nasty. The deodorant works so well, but just having to peel stuff from underneath my arms, like I barely can wear tank tops if I wear this. Tube tops are just like disgustingly, they get flaky. It's just really a very nasty situation, and so I don't oftentimes like doing it. Yeah, it's just really nasty, guys. So if you guys do get this, just be cautious because it even flakes underneath some of the clothes that I wear, and it just feels disgusting. I wish that it does. Does it work? Yes. Is it worth the flakiness? No. I ended up going back to an old deodorant I used to use and found that that one works. Not as good as this one, but at least I eliminate the flakiness. And I found other ways to cope with like my overactive glands in my underarms. So yeah, guys, that's a big downfall to me, and it wouldn't be so big if it just didn't affect me that much. But like I said before, guys, this is just the men Mitchum Advanced Control 48-hour odor protection, and it is unscented, and this is just the gel antiperspirant deodorant.